Poornachandu from Mysore. I recently bought ASUS VIVOBOOK K15 from Shop the World. At first, I thought it was a fake website, but after reading customer reviews, I came to know that it is a legit website. Coming to the customer service provided, the packaging was so good as you saw earlier, and the product was intact. Contact and support is also very good. You can easily contact them in also WhatsApp also. So I recommend you to buy from the Shop the World because you get the product at lower price than any other website. I got this ASUS VIVOBOOK K15 approximately around 3000 lower than any other major website. So I recommend you to buy the product from Shop the World. Thank you, Shop the World.